In this drawing, we have the second part, which I'll call 4B of the assembly. So in this one, we're going to have like 4 extrusions adding up, like in the Boolean operation, and then we put chamfers on the edges of all the extrusions. So as usual, new, standard, create, save your drawing, and we call it part 4B, and then we shall call it capping. In the same folder for our project, and then we start the drawing, choose the same orientation, and then we draw a circle. The first circle is 15 mils. We'll press E to extrude, and we extrude that one to 25 mils. And then we go on this end, sketch another circle, extrude that circle to 40 mils, and then draw a circle diameter 40 mils, and then extrude. That one is going to be 150 minus 25, so which is 125. But if you are not sure of your maths, you just go in the dimensions, type 150 minus 25, and it will give you the correct answer. Then you go the next one, then you sketch a circle, and that circle will be the largest circle in the drawing, which is 80 mils. And if it extrude, the thickness will be 10. I leave that for you to calculate. Oh, sorry, no, we should have started with the one inside. So you can say okay, and then go back to that extrusion, open the sketch, double click on the sketch, double click on that dimension, and that one will be now this diameter 40 plus a 10, making that chamfer upward. So 10 up and 10 down, and that gives it 60. So this should be 60. Extrusion, not extruding. Oh yeah, the extrusion is already there, so we just finish, and it will adjust the other one, which we drew at the beginning, and then we drew the last one, which is 60. 80. Change that to 80. Extrude to 10. So after I've done that, all we need to do now is to put 2 chamfers. So go to chamfer, change that to 10, put a chamfer here, and put another chamfer at the bottom, click OK. So that finishes that part. And then there's a small chamfer of 3 millimeters, as you can see from the drawing, which we will put at the bottom end there, 3, and say OK. And that pin is done. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next and the last part drawing of that assembly.